guy is ginger.
Seriously. I used to know the figures in those days, but I'm appreciating the figures that GSM was saying, Matthew, what's happening? How come we're not reading this book? You know, this thing I see every saying, you're just calculating even 30,000 naira in a month. That's a lot of money. Hello? Day before yesterday, I spoke about leadership, and I made us to understand that leadership has to do with you. So not looking at this place, the gold, silver, platinum. You are the leader. And I was able to also tell us the difference between a leader and a manager. That a manager is somebody that gets results through other people. If all that you are looking for from somebody is a cycle, then you're a manager. But if you want to be a true leader, you should be able to influence other people. You should be able to impact other people. You should be able to bless other people. So, leadership, I want to be a leader. So what kind of leader are we looking at? The kind of the one that Don Fire gave us in his book. I discovered that in that book, Don Fire was traveling with a wife for over 28 years. Over 28 years. That means leaders travel to support their people. They don't sit down in one place. They travel to ensure that their people are doing well in the business. Leaders understand the business and believe in the business. So the understanding they have about the business, that's what they communicate to their members, to their team members. Leaders, they ensure that they engage their team members to their purpose in life, because many of them are just drifting, they are wandering in life. They don't even, if you ask them what is your purpose in life, they don't know. So as a leader, I have the responsibility to ensure that I tell my team member that through this opportunity, you can achieve your goals, you can achieve your dreams, you can achieve your purpose in life. So it means as a person, as a leader, I must be able to let my team members understand that this opportunity can help them achieve their dreams. Also, a leader helps team members to connect with other areas of their lives. The God area, the family area, the social area, the physical area, the social area, and their financial life. You help them to see that with this opportunity, avenues to wealth, network marketing, all these other areas of your life can actually have a balance. So, if you're able to help people like that to see that, well, with this opportunity, I can have a balance in all areas of my life. We have cases of women he helped, those who have issues with work, but they don't have a family. Those who are earning low, but with the help of the opportunity that he gave them, they're able to say, well, with this little money I'm earning today as a factory worker, I can even earn more. So leaders understand the business and they believe in the business, and they're able to pass it on to the people in their team. Then also we look at the good qualities of leaders. That as a leader, you should get involved. Don't tell others to go and prospect when you are not doing it. Tell your team members